Yo, I hate coming to this hospital.
Oh my god.
I had to drive here on my own with half an eye. I had to drive with my mother for half an hour. I'm surprised with anybody.
I hate this job.
It's crazy.
Look at all this crap. I'm never gonna get home. Oh my god. I cannot do this anymore. I can't. What happened to you? Oh, it's hot in here, and people are always bothering me.
Seriously, this
You
is
know
a
what?
hospital.
I've had this scrubs for like the last 2 years. They keep telling me, yeah, we're gonna give you new ones. We're gonna give you new
And
ones.
we're working in a hospital here, and all the stuff is dirty.
I can clean the floor with this. I don't even get paid well. Anyway, who's next? Oh no, I had that brat. She's so spoiled. We need a friend.
Oh my
gosh, I met her. I don't like that girl from the moment I met her. What do you
I
have?
have to tell you later that she's bad.
Oh, that's bad. This is a crap. You suck. And I suck. Oh, it's so hot here. We need a fan. Excuse me, come up, please.
Conoce mi corazón, Padre.
Well, there's people dying, you know.
No sé lo que vaya a pasar. Pongo mi vida en tus manos, Padre. Pongo mi vida en tus manos, Padre.
I'm doing my job.
Dame paz. Que tu Santo Espíritu presente.
Okay, your blood pressure is fine. Now,
Ayúdame.
cream on your neck. Don't worry, it's just rubbing alcohol, make it into cream, okay? It's for surgery, ladies. That will be. You guys, shut it. You know what? The doctor's gonna be here soon to do your surgery.
Like, I have to wait more? Are you kidding me?
Yes, you have to.
Like,
It's full of people.
You're so calm.
Oh! I said shut it. I'm trying to do my job here. Thanks.
I'm bleeding.
I should. Oh, I hate this job.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Mrs. Gonzalez. How are you?
¿Qué dice, mijo? ¿Qué dice? ¿Qué descansa de qué?
Yeah, the cancer that we found in your bloodstream is leukemia. I'm sorry, but it's too late for it to.
¿De qué habla? Dime, ¿de qué habla?
No puede ser nada.
We tried everything we can. It's going to rain, and you really don't have much time left. Maybe a few hours. I suggest that the time that you have, you contact your family.
Joven, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias por la atención que me ha dado en este país.
I'm so sorry. I cannot overheard you and your situation. I'm so sorry for what just happened to you. Are you going to be okay?
It'll be okay. Jesus Christ with me. Our mom is next.
Wow, I wish I was like you. I wish I could be calm when everything in my life is going wrong. I wish I was able to be in peace when everything seems to not be going okay. What can I do to be like you? I want to be a person that can handle a situation and be in control of things when needed. What can I do? Who can I turn to?
Turn to the Bible. Mom will actually like to be honest.
Wow, this really means a lot to me. Thank you. Would it be okay if I were to come to church with you? Because I realize that life isn't always about making complaints and making little things into big things and fighting. You know, I would really like to change my life and become a better person.